Hey guys, my name is Rajan, and in honor of the DCM's 10th birthday celebration on April 24th, I get to walk you guys through one of my favorite activities here at the DCM. Hopefully by the end of this, I can inspire you to make a painting without even touching a paintbrush. So, what does that mean? That means today, we're going to be making some paintings that are groovy, psychedelic, and awesome without even touching a paintbrush. So, let's see what materials that we need to make our painting. So, we will need paper, shaving cream, a baking tray, spoon, and food dye or watercolor, and a marker as well. So typically we do have some other supplies that we do use at the museum, but I wanted to make sure that all of these materials you can find at your house so that everyone can join in on the fun with us for our birthday celebration. So there are a couple steps here. I'll walk you through them and then I'll give you a video demonstration so that you can make your own creation at home. And as a reminder, if you would like to share with us through social media, use our hashtag. Hashtag DCM is 10. We'd love to see your masterpieces. So, what steps must we take? First, you gotta put shaving cream in your container or your baking tray. Next, you wanna use your spoon to sprinkle watercolor or food dye onto said shaving cream. Step number 3, you want to swirl your shaving cream with your marker. You don't want to mix it, otherwise it turns out brown and murky, and that doesn't really give the effect that we want for this marble print painting. Next, we want to press our paper against our shaving cream. This is going to transfer all of the watercolor or food dye to our painting and leave that marbled effect. But to get that marbled effect, you have to use your marker to shake off any excess shaving cream. And then afterwards, you can let it dry. I say please there just because I do want to use my manners after telling you guys instructions. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and make our paintings. I know you're excited, I'm excited too.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to paint!
Righty, so first step, what you want to do, you want to roll up your sleeves because we are about to get artsy. Next step, what you want to do is you want to get your shaving cream ready. So you want to put this in your baking tray, enough to fill the bottom, but not too much because a little bit goes a long way. Next, what you want to do is use your spoon to sprinkle watercolor onto your painting. Now, you don't want to use too much, otherwise it'll come out all jumbled. But I have noticed that the more colors that you use, the better it comes out. All right, so once we have added all of our watercolor or food dye, we want to use our spoon or our marker to swirl all of our colors around. Now you do want to try to swirl everything rather than mix it, otherwise it does come out very jumbled and dark and murky, and that's not what we want for this painting. Alright, so once you've given your painting your shaving cream a couple of swirls, you want to put your spoon down and you want to use your piece of paper to press down on your shaving cream. So you want to make sure you press down all the parts of your paper to make sure that the shaving cream gets all of it. Next, you want to take out your painting and just put it on a flat surface. All right. Next, what you're going to use your marker, and you're going to use your marker to scrape off all the shaving cream. All right. And then once you have scraped off all of your shaving cream, you'll see your painting comes out like this. It's all marbled and beautiful, as I'm sure your painting is as well. And then after you're done, you just want to let it dry, please. You definitely want to wash your hands after because it is a messy activity, but hopefully I have inspired you to make your own masterpiece without even touching a paintbrush. Thanks guys for tuning in, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.